In this segment, we present an analysis of the use of Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles against energy and military infrastructure in temporarily occupied areas of eastern Ukraine on January 12, 2026. You are now viewing substations which, according to open-source information, were supplying electricity to facilities used for military purposes. The sites are located in temporarily occupied areas of the Donetsk region. Operations of this kind are generally intended to disrupt logistical capabilities and reduce the technical support capacity of armed units involved in the conflict. The footage shows that the unmanned system is equipped with a thermal imaging camera. This allows the operator to guide the drone in real time and improves targeting accuracy. The use of thermal imaging technology also helps reduce the risk of unintended impact on civilian infrastructure. Additionally, the video examines an incident involving a weapons storage facility used by Russian forces in temporarily occupied areas of the Donetsk region, in the town of Makivka. As shown in the footage, the deployment of each subsequent drone allows operators to assess the results and adjust the approach of the next aircraft as it moves toward the target. You are looking at a Russian Tor M2 air defense system, valued at approximately $27 million. The cost of the drone is approximately $2,000. A significant cost disparity, wouldn't you agree? The next target is the 50N6E Vityaz radar system, estimated at around $70 million. According to available footage, it was reportedly disabled by a drone costing less than an old second-hand family car. Modern warfare continues to challenge traditional assumptions about cost and effectiveness. And this is another element of Russia's air defense system that has become scrap metal. This particular unit is estimated to cost approximately $30 million, cheaper than the previous one, but it met the same fate. And this old Buck M1 was probably dragged straight out of Vietnam by the Russians amid an acute shortage of equipment. Its estimated value is around $20 million. This is a Strela 10M air defense system, valued at approximately $3 million. On the right, you can see a Russian soldier running, apparently trying to take a selfie against the backdrop of what he considers a successful hit. Another Russian Tor M2 air defense system, valued at $27 million, taken out by a drone costing just $2,000. Quite a productive night. You are looking at what appear to be the final seconds of the TPS Karan, a Russian short-range tactical air defense system. Its estimated value is around $15 million. At this point, all that seems left is enough heat to start a barbecue. This time, the target was a reportedly rare tactical air defense system known as the TPS Sartana. Its exact cost is unknown, but it was almost certainly more expensive than the drone that struck it. The drone operator carefully turned off the lights for the Russian forces. Now the soldiers may have to load their ammunition by candlelight. You are watching what appears to be unique footage of Ukrainian forces lighting fireworks at the expense of the Russian army. In reality, this is an ammunition depot valued at millions of dollars. After conducting follow-up reconnaissance, Ukrainian operators appear to have added even more heat to the scene. If you thought that was all, think again. Ukrainian forces reportedly struck yet another ammunition depot. It was certainly a bright and eventful night. In this building, Russian forces had set up a workshop and an ammunition storage facility. However, vigilant local residents reported the unlawful activities of the occupiers, and Ukrainian forces sent a drone with what could be described as penalties. The footage shows a 9A-84 launcher, a component of the S-300 surface-to-air missile system with an estimated value of approximately $20 million. And right after that, you can see the M1991 multiple launch rocket system disappear, a Russian rocket artillery system with an estimated value of approximately $5 million. Another Russian Tor M2 air defense system. With that kind of money, a modern school could have been built in Russia, but instead it was spent on weapons. Apologies, that amount could have funded 2 modern schools. This is the second Russian Tor M2 system lost within a short period of time. If you thought that was all, think again. This is the third Russian Tor M2. In total, $81 million disappeared in a single night. The OSA air defense system is a Soviet-designed, Russian-operated, short-range surface-to-air missile system valued at approximately $4 million. Amid shortages of more modern equipment, even legacy systems like this can still be seen in service. Here you can see the result of the hunt for the Tor M1 air defense system. Ukrainian forces tracked and reportedly disabled 3 such systems. And finally, one more 9A-84 launcher, a component of the S-300 surface-to-air missile system with an estimated value of approximately $20 million. In total, over the course of this video, Russia has reportedly lost more than $400 million, a staggering amount of resources.